INOX Australia was established in 1998. We are located in the northern suburbs of Epping, Melbourne, and we're engaged in the manufacture and supply of food process equipment and systems. We design and manufacture our equipment for the world stage. Since our exhibiting in ProPack Asia, we've been growing our market, export sales and brand awareness in that region since. We were awarded in the prestigious Australian Food and Beverage Industry Awards Innovative Technology of the Year for our Flavour Max stock process system, and also were the winners of the best overall winner from all categories and all companies. We truly are a one-stop shop in the food industry. We design processes, equipment, build the equipment, support the equipment, innovate and further enhance the food processing industry by providing the best quality Australian-made equipment.